Govee Floor Lamp 2 revolutionizes your space with Alexa compatibility and music sync. Did you know that over 50% of households now own at least one smart home device? It's like tech is taking over our lives in the best way possible. And today, I've got something super exciting to talk about that fits perfectly into that trend. Meet the Govee Floor Lamp 2. This isn't just any floor lamp. It's packed with amazing features like Alexa compatibility and music sync functionality. Imagine transforming your space into a vibrant, illuminated haven that reacts to your voice and the beat of your favorite songs. Sounds awesome, right? Let's dive deeper. Now, let's be real for a second. We all love a good floor lamp, but the traditional ones can be pretty limiting. Most of them just sit there, providing light without any real versatility. You can't change the color, they don't connect to your smart home system, and they definitely don't groove to your music. With all the amazing smart tech available today, it's frustrating to see regular lamps lagging behind. They just can't keep up with our modern, tech-savvy lifestyles. Who wouldn't want a lamp that can not only light up a room but also adapt to your mood and activities? Alright, let's get into what makes the Govee Floor Lamp 2 a game changer. First off, its design is sleek and modern, making it a perfect fit for any room. But the real magic happens when you connect it to your smart home system. With Alexa compatibility, you can control it using just your voice. Want to dim the lights for movie night? Just say the word. But wait, there's more. The music sync feature is where things get exciting. Picture this. You're hosting a party, and the lights dance along with your playlist. The colors shift and pulse with the rhythm, making your space not just a room but a whole vibe. Plus, with different color options and brightness levels, you can easily set the mood for any occasion, whether it's a cozy night in or a lively gathering with friends. Now, let's see this beauty in action. Check this out. Show live demonstration. As I play some upbeat music, watch how the Govee Floor Lamp 2 reacts. The colors are shifting, and it's like the lamp has its own personality, and just like that, with a simple voice command, I can change the color to something more relaxing or dim the lights completely. It's incredible how it transforms the entire atmosphere in seconds. This isn't just lighting, it's an experience, and you have to witness it to believe it. So, to wrap things up, the Govee Floor Lamp 2 is truly a revolutionary addition to any home. With its Alexa compatibility, music sync features, and stunning design, it has the potential to completely change how you light your space. It's not just a lamp, it's a fun and interactive part of your living area. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about smart lighting? Would you add the Govee Floor Lamp 2 to your space? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're into tech reviews, don't forget to check out my other videos for more awesome gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Click on this link to get your Beats Pill 2024 on Amazon online store. https://amz/48krfwv